Introduction. Workplace safety in Canada. Canada takes workplace safety seriously. It's important to protect workers from harm. Every worker has the right to a safe and healthy work environment. Employers have a responsibility to provide this. Effective safety measures reduce accidents and injuries. They also improve worker morale and productivity. A safe workplace benefits everyone. The purpose of incident investigations. Incident investigations are crucial for workplace safety. They help us understand why accidents happen. By analyzing incidents, we can prevent similar events in the future. Investigations also help determine if safety procedures were followed. They can reveal gaps in training or equipment maintenance. This information is valuable for improving overall safety protocols. Steps to effective incident investigation. An effective investigation follows a systematic approach. This ensures that all aspects of the incident are thoroughly examined and nothing is overlooked. A structured method helps in identifying the root causes and implementing measures to prevent future occurrences. The first step is to provide immediate care to any injured individuals. This is crucial as it addresses the immediate health and safety needs of those affected. Quick and efficient first aid can significantly reduce the severity of injuries and stabilize the situation. Then the scene of the incident must be secured to preserve evidence. This involves cordoning off the area to prevent further harm and to ensure that the evidence remains intact. Securing the scene helps in maintaining the integrity of the investigation. Next, we gather information about what happened. This step is critical as it involves collecting all relevant data, including the sequence of events leading up to the incident. Detailed notes and accurate documentation are essential for a comprehensive investigation. This includes interviewing witnesses and reviewing relevant documents. Witnesses can provide first-hand accounts that are invaluable in understanding the incident. Reviewing documents such as safety logs, maintenance records, and training materials can offer additional insights. Finally, we analyze the findings to identify root causes and recommend corrective actions. This analysis involves looking at all the gathered information to determine what went wrong and why. The goal is to develop strategies that address the root causes and prevent similar incidents in the future. Recommendations may include changes to procedures, additional training, or modifications to equipment and work environments. Unpacking the contributing factors: human, situational, and environmental. Incidents rarely have a single cause. They often result from a combination of factors. We categorize these factors as human, situational, and environmental. Human factors refer to the actions or inactions of individuals. Situational factors involve the specific tasks being performed and the surrounding conditions. Environmental factors include physical conditions like lighting or noise levels. Navigating the legal landscape. Reporting requirements in Canada. Canada has specific laws regarding workplace incident reporting. These laws are designed to ensure that workplaces remain safe and that any incidents are properly documented and addressed. The regulations cover a wide range of incidents, from minor injuries to major accidents, and they apply to all types of workplaces, including offices, factories, and construction sites. Employers have a legal obligation to report certain types of incidents to the appropriate authorities. This includes not only accidents that result in injury, but also near misses and hazardous conditions that could potentially lead to an incident. The reporting process typically involves filling out detailed forms and submitting them to government agencies or workplace safety organizations. These reports provide vital information for tracking workplace safety trends. By analyzing the data collected from these reports, authorities can identify common hazards and develop strategies to mitigate them. This data is also used to create safety guidelines and regulations that help protect workers and ensure that employers are maintaining safe working environments. They also help enforce safety regulations and prevent future incidents. Regular reporting and analysis of workplace incidents allow for continuous improvement in safety standards. Employers are encouraged to conduct regular safety training sessions and inspections to ensure compliance with these regulations and to foster a culture of safety within their organizations. Failure to report incidents can result in serious consequences, including fines or legal action. Non-compliance with reporting requirements can lead to significant financial penalties and damage to a company's reputation. In severe cases, it can also result in legal proceedings and criminal charges against the responsible parties. Therefore, it is crucial for employers to understand and adhere to these reporting requirements to avoid such repercussions and to contribute to a safer working environment for everyone. Walkthrough survey recreating the scene. A walkthrough survey is a critical part of an incident investigation. It allows investigators to gather first-hand information about the environment where the incident occurred. This step is essential to understand the context and the conditions that may have contributed to the incident. It involves physically inspecting the incident location. By being on site, investigators can observe details that might not be evident in reports or photographs alone. This hands-on approach helps in identifying subtle factors that could be crucial to the investigation. The aim is to recreate the scene as accurately as possible. This involves setting up the environment to mirror the conditions at the time of the incident. Accurate recreation helps in visualizing the sequence of events and understanding how the incident unfolded. During the walkthrough, we document details such as the layout of the area, the position of equipment, and any potential hazards. This meticulous documentation includes noting the exact placement of machinery, tools, and other objects that might have played a role in the incident. We also take photographs and videos to preserve visual evidence. These visual records are invaluable for later analysis and for sharing findings with other stakeholders. They provide a clear and objective reference that can be revisited as needed throughout the investigation process. In addition to physical evidence, interviewing witnesses is another crucial aspect of recreating the scene. Witnesses can provide insights and details that might not be immediately apparent. Their testimonies help in piecing together the events leading up to the incident. Reviewing safety protocols and compliance with regulations is also part of the walkthrough survey. This helps in identifying any lapses or violations that could have contributed to the incident. Ensuring that safety measures are in place and followed is key to preventing future incidents. Finally, all the gathered information is compiled into a comprehensive report. This report summarizes the findings, identifies the root causes, and provides recommendations for preventing similar incidents in the future. The goal is to create a safer workplace by learning from past incidents. Conducting effective interviews, gathering crucial information. Interviews are essential for gathering first-hand accounts of the incident. We interview witnesses, supervisors, and anyone else with relevant information. The interviews are conducted in a respectful and non-confrontational manner. Open-ended questions are used to encourage detailed responses. We also ask clarifying questions to ensure we understand the information correctly. All interview notes are carefully documented and preserved. Reenactment, a step towards prevention. In some cases, a reenactment of the incident may be necessary. This involves having trained personnel recreate the events leading up to the incident. Safety is paramount during a reenactment. The purpose is to observe the sequence of events and identify any potential hazards. Reenactments provide valuable insights that may not be apparent from other evidence. Incident and injury reports, documentation, and analysis. The final step is to compile all the findings into a comprehensive report. This report includes a detailed description of the incident, the contributing factors, and recommendations for corrective actions. We use specific incident and injury report forms to ensure consistency and completeness. These reports are essential for tracking safety performance and identifying areas for improvement.